Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy M11 and today I'll show you how to boot the device into safe mode. And to get started, let's pull down the notification panel, tap on the power key, and from here you want to hold the power off option. This will then change it into safe mode, so I'll confirm it by tapping on safe mode button, and the device will now reboot, and once it's back on we will be in safe mode. And as you can see, we're now back in Android, and you can see the watermark right in the bottom left corner, safe mode. So the device is now in the desired mode. And in this mode, only the most essential apps will be working. Everything else is basically being disabled from starting up. So you can test if, for instance, your device is having problems, if it's due to some kind of malicious app, or if it's just the device itself malfunctioning. But once you're done with this mode, all you need to do is basically tap on the power key once more and then choose restart. And when the device reboots, it will be back in normal mode. And now that the device is back on, you can see that the safe mode is gone from the screen and the device is back in normal mode. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.